welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a video for Valentine's. So if you want to see how I do this makeup look and this look, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Start off with a tacky base and go in with a light lid shade just to set it in place. Blend out your crease colour. Deepen the crease with a darker shade. Go in with your lid shade, and if you want it to be more vibrant, then use your setting spray and spray your brush. Pop on some liner and lashes. Jump off camera and do your face makeup. Use the shade that you deepened your crease with and use that on your lower lash line. Highlight your inner corners and brow bones. Pop on some hot pink lips to match the eyes. So this is the finished look. So really pink and lovely for Valentine's. Whose favourite colour is red? Mine is! So again, start off with a tacky base. Go in with the white shade just to set it all in place. I did use the white P. Louise primer as well because I want the red to really pop. Use a light shade for a transition. Then go in with a bright red and pop that in the crease and the outer third of your lids. Now don't stress if it is a bit messy, we can always clean this up. If you don't have a deeper red or it's not pulling the red that you want, then you can just go in with some setting spray and it just deepens the colour up a bit. To clean up, I always just grab a baby wipe and I just try and get the bulk of the extra shadow off. Then I go in with a cotton tip and some micellar water or makeup remover, and you can get it all precise then. Now you can go in and cut your crease with your sticky base. I'm using the P. Louise in shade 0. Because I'm going over the cut crease with a light shade, I set it with the white shadow just to make sure there is no pink or red popping through at all. You can go ahead and use your shimmer shade. You can use setting spray if you want it to have more of a metallic-y look, and if you need help adhering it to your lid. Now lightly buff the shades together to blend them in so the lines aren't as harsh. I'm just using a clean brush here. Pop on some liner and lashes. Jump off camera and do your face makeup. Use the same red for your lower lash line. And the shimmer for your inner corners and brow bones. And pop on some bright red lipstick to match your eyes. And you are ready to party with your Valentine. So this is the finished look. So I really like this look. This is the traditional red look for Valentine's. So I'm absolutely in love with this one. Don't forget to let me know down below which is your favorite look, whether it was the pink look or whether it is this red look. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because that really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.